Welcome back to my channel, Kid Babies and Kid Puppies. How y'all doing out there? I want to say this Shein haul will be a little different for me. These are outfits that I'm thinking about going out with. So I need y'all opinion to tell me which one that y'all like the best. Y'all know I love to show skin. As y'all already know, my rolls, stretch marks, and all. Marks, wounds, everything I got on my body, I like to show it. I know in some states it's getting cold. It's kind of getting cold here. But what did Glow say with the shorts, with the what she say, hair, nails? I gotta think about what it's called. I'm gonna get it together in a second. What the song is, but y'all know the song. Anyways, are y'all ready? Are you ready? Y'all like my hair? I know you do. It turn you on? It turn me on. Okay, let me get rid of the first outfit. Let me stop. This is the first saying on the shirt. This is a one piece. So I'm about to try it on. This leather hat. I don't want to brag. Are y'all ready? Okay. Let me slide this back a little bit. I'm trying to get it where I can walk through these in a way, y'all. Okay. Where y'all can see the whole thing, baby. This is in a extra large. I believe this is an extra large. It's like, what it say? The gangster. I ain't no gangster. But the one piece was so cute to me. It zip up in the back. And it's stretchy. It stretches. I got big arms and it stretched my big arms. So, hey. Tell me what you think down below. I rate this. What I'm trying to do is make sure, so I had to make sure it ain't gonna bother me so I can still dance if I go out with this on. That's what I'm thinking about. But y'all can write it down below and let me know. And I'm not sure how much this costs, but I think everything, all the outfits I got was like under, I say like $15. Okay, on to the next. Y'all, this might be the one for me. I'm not talking about the hair, but the outfit. Look. First of all, it got my rolls out on the side. Rolls are out. My body is out. My fat legs is out. My arms is out. Okay. Hey. What y'all think about this one? And it zip up in the back. I like this. I like it because it got my skin out. And I can dance in it. I told you I gotta be comfortable when I be dancing. If I go out, or even sitting down, I'm talking about a chair right here. Even sitting down, I wanna be comfortable if I go out. I don't wanna be trying to be cute and I'm not comfortable. That ain't me, because I wanna be myself. I like to dance, as y'all know. It's real cute. I rate this outfit a 10. Let's start again. I would have got this in every color if they had it. Look at the arms, y'all. Yes. One sleeve. No sleeve over her. And got the rolls out. Hey. Okay. On to the next outfit. I love this outfit. I'm gonna have to be doing it real quick because I don't want YouTube tripping. So it's no definitely you can see through it. You have thongs on. It's a pants. I just put on some Jordans real quick to show y'all this. It's really cute. I would not wear Jordans with this, but I'm wearing my boots. But I would wear some Jordans with it. And the way I was just dancing around, It's gonna be hot. I most definitely will. If I wear this out, I'm most definitely gonna be comfortable. And this is what I do, y'all. This is something I will most definitely wear. What y'all think? Because I rated a 10, baby. I don't let it zipped up all the way. Because I don't want to have to unzip it again. Every outfit I got so far is zip up in the back. Did I sign up for this? No. Okay, on to the next one. This is a 10, though. One thing I always take, and I always tell all my friends, family members, anybody I know, that they should have one thing. Confidence. I don't care what type of body you got, what shape you got. That's what God gave you, baby. That's what your mama, your daddy gave you. You're supposed to have confidence for your body. This is, once again, another one piece. But the thing about this one is zip in the front. So I was excited about this. I rate this a 10. It's stretchy. And that's what it's about for me, having that stretch. These are like really grown and sexy outfits. I say they are. I like it. I would wear this down to a bar, a club, a get together, anything like that. But I wouldn't wear this type of, I wouldn't wear a sports bra. Of course not. No. It'd be like something sexy in that, baby. Maybe even like a white bra. That'd be like sexy too. What y'all think about this? Okay, because you want to what? Have confidence. This is so fire. I really like this. Okay, on to the next. Okay, y'all. I'm in my purple fix because, you know, I got the purple 13s. I don't even think this is a bright purple that match. But when I was on Shein, I was looking at it. I will not wear these shoes with it. I just put it back on so I can hurry up and get done with this video. Because, y'all, I've been doing this video for an hour. So what y'all think about this one? Everything I have on is stretchy. Like everything. I could probably wear this with some black boots, with a black jacket. White. I got a lot of thinking to think about. Because I would not want my arms out if I go out. I don't know. I got fat arms. I love my arms, but I like to keep them covered. Plus, it might be cold at night anyway. Or whenever I decide to wear this. But what y'all rate this? I rated an 8. Because maybe if I pull them up, yeah. Okay, if I pull it up some, it's okay. I rated an 8. What you think? Y'all can let me know. Okay, this is an outfit just to go out with. I thought it was cute because it had a teddy bear and had the colors I needed. So this is what I got. And these are the shoes that I got it for too as well, if y'all can see. I just thought this was this a 10. I just thought this was too cute. What y'all think? And when you order from Shein, this came from a place called Wholesale or Wholesale Love. Something like that. It didn't come from, I guess it's all connected together through Shein. It was like wholesale. I believe that's what it was. Yeah, know I gotta dance. Okay. On to the next. Okay, y'all, this is the last outfit. Of course, I had to bring Becky. Y'all know I had to wear her. So, all my outfits was in an extra large. Let me fix my thing. All the outfits that I had tonight, I believe they were all in extra large. When I go back and put them back in the bag, I will let y'all know. But for sure, like, I think everything was an extra large. Maybe that that confidence, have confidence. Maybe that was at 1X because it was kind of big. I would have to see and let you know. What y'all think about this? This is most definitely a 10 for me. I like the way the whole outfit is. I like the brown girl. I just love that whole thing about it. And then I'm going to do another haul soon where it's nothing but shirts with like sayings on there. It's like positive sayings and things like that. Because when I seem to go out to the stores and stuff, a lot of people look at your clothes and they look at your shirts. They look at what you got on. Sometimes it might make somebody day by just reading what you have on your shirt, or make them laugh if they kind of having a bad day. You know what I'm saying? So I have a lot of shirts with sayings on there, and I think I'm gonna do a haul. I'll probably get about 10 to 12. I'm gonna do a haul on that soon. And I also got a loungewear coming up with a lot of 2 pieces. Not lingerie, but loungewear coming up soon. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, I said like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. Y'all have a good night.